Welcome back to Foxtecc. In today's video, we're going to explore how to restrict music on your iPhone. Whether you want to limit music access for someone else or set usage reminders for yourself, I'll guide you through the process. This is especially useful if you're trying to manage screen time or control the types of content accessed on your device. To start, the main area to focus on is the screen time section in your iPhone settings. Open the Settings app, scroll down, and select Screen Time. If you don't see any toggles or options, it means screen time isn't set up yet. Just follow the on-screen instructions to enable it. It's pretty straightforward, and you'll find the screen time feature quite useful for managing app usage and setting limits. Once screen time is set up, navigate to the app limits section. First, enable the toggle at the top of the screen, then select Add Limit. Here, you can choose to restrict an entire category of apps, such as all games, or you can limit a specific app. For restricting music, you'll want to go to the entertainment section, as the music app typically falls under this category. Next, set a daily time limit for how long you want the music app to be used. This can range from as little as 1 minute to an hour or even more, depending on your preference. Once the time limit is reached, a screen will appear informing the user that the time is up, and a passcode will be required to bypass this limit. This ensures that the restriction is maintained and helps in managing screen time effectively. Additionally, there are third-party apps that can provide similar functionality with more stringent blocking mechanisms. One highly recommended app is Opal. Although this isn't a sponsored mention, I find Opal to be quite effective in managing and blocking apps. Opal offers robust features that can help you maintain control over app usage, providing an alternative to the built-in screen time settings. So, to recap, managing music access on your iPhone is quite simple with the screen time feature. Open the Settings app. Set up screen time if you haven't already, and then navigate to app limits to set a specific time limit for the music app. Alternatively, you can use third-party apps like Opal for more stringent controls. This can help you manage your or someone else's usage and ensure that you stay within the desired limits. Thanks for watching today's video. If you found this information helpful, please consider subscribing to Foxtecc and giving this video a thumbs up. Your support helps us create more content like this. Peace.